Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are gonna talking about something every Salesforce user must know. So that is how we can convert a lead into a customer, because this is where actual business starts. So we need to convert every leads to customer. So that is the main concept of our business. So let's see how it works. So first we need to understand what is lead conversion. A lead is just a potential customer. Means it is a customer is just for enquiry, or he just interested in our product or interested in our service, that we call it as lead. So when actually lead becomes serious, you convert the lead into account, contact, opportunity. In that time, serious note. So basically lead is a real business data. So then how we can convert? For example, in here I have so many leads. So for all leads, the status is open not contacted, open not contacted, like that. So just open one record. So this is my lead. Currently the status is contacted, but I need to convert this lead into a account. So how we can convert? You can see in the top, I have a drop down. So if I click on drop down, I have an option like convert. If I click on convert, I will get two things. One is create a new record or choose the existing records. Create a new account means this lead is related to existing your account record. You can just select existing account record. Just click on that. You just need to select existing accounts. So if you want to create everything from fresh, means this lead is doesn't have any related account record. In that time we go with create new record. So if I click on create new record, we can see automatically contact will be created, opportunity will be created, and the status is converted into closed converted. Like, so currently what I will do, like I will select create new account record, then automatically it will create a new contact and opportunity. So then status will be converted into closed converted. So if I click on convert, you will get like your lead has been converted. So account record is created, contact is created, opportunity is created. So then go to leads. So what happened? So once the lead is converted, the lead is disappear from active leads. New record is created like accounts, contacts, opportunity. For example, I will click on accounts. You can see the one of the account is created like Metropolitan Health Services. If I click on that, so this is the lead I converted before. And also for this, automatically one contact is created, one opportunity is created. In real time, how we can say, for example, you get one lead from Ravi from Infosys. After discussion, he interested in our product or services. So what user do? User just convert that lead into account. One Infosys account is created. Contact Ravi is created. With the name of deal, one opportunity is created. Then only the sales process actual starts. Then what are the important things we need to remember before converting any lead to account? Lead must have required field filled. You cannot convert incomplete data. After conversion, lead cannot be edited. Always check duplicate before converting. Link to existing account if already account is exist. Don't create unnecessary opportunities. So when we actually need to create opportunities, when the business is really happens, then only we need to create the opportunities. You can also do like convert without opportunity. Then what are the common mistake people do? Creating duplicate account, not checking the existing data, converting too early means before finalization, converting lead into a account record. Then behind the scene, what happens once the lead is converted, account context fields will be mapped with lead record fields values. So this is how we can convert leads in Salesforce. So this is where the leads becomes real customers. So always do it carefully. So I hope you understand how we can convert leads in Salesforce. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.